We all depend on the biosphere for sustaining our lives. But in the name of growing more food, we have denuded our forests. In the name of industrial growth, we have polluted rivers and seas and heated up the globe through accumulation of carbon dioxide. Buildings and their construction together account for 36% of global energy use and 39% of energy-related CO2 emissions annually, according to the UN Environment Programme. The competition gave an opportunity to initiate a process to produce a design that respects the environment. Hence, the design of the educational building can act as a tool to sensitize the students for greater impact. The team visited Raipur to explore the site and surrounding, understand the local market, and study the contextual responses to get on-field facts that help to design with a practical approach. The team also discussed the project with the industry partner Surmount Energy Solutions in Mumbai to explore new dimensions of the design and innovation. Consistent efforts from the team, faculties, and industry partner have given us the potential to present to you Project Neve. Project Neve is an architecture and design institute at Raipur which runs entirely on solar energy. The rainwater is harvested and the water cycle is maintained to treat and reuse the wastewater. The building is resilient to man-made and natural disasters, making it ready for future adaptability. The site, context, and users are kept in mind while designing a space, and the spatial character along with the landscape enriches the teaching and learning process and promotes interactive environment. The build form has been designed to facilitate cross-ventilation and venturi effect, providing thermal comfort. The open spaces have been optimized for summers when there is shading and for winters when the build form allows sunlight. The massing, materials, fins, and kinetic facade contribute to reduce heat gain. Daylighting shelves ensure well-lit studio spaces for visual comfort. The kinetic facade, which operates on sensor-based technology, is an innovation that increases the overall performance of the building. It can be scaled up to enhance the potential of the market and technology because of its multifunctionality in terms of size, material, orientation, and location. The entire project is a comprehensive attempt to design for the comfort of users, to design for creating an impact, to design for initiating a change, and to design for scaling up and amplifying the concept of net zero.